Hi, I'm Charlotte Baker. I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and artist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use masking fluid with your watercolours. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. I'm going to show you the masking technique, which involves using masking fluid to prevent areas of your watercolour painting from being affected by the paint. We're going to dip our brush into the masking fluid and get enough on the brush for coverage, but not too much that it starts to blob on the paper. For this example, I'm going to draw a nice and simple heart. Make sure to let the masking fluid dry before moving on to painting. Now I'm going to wet the page to create a wet on wet technique. I will load up my brush with this nice red and cover the page. Next, a bit of yellow. Let the paint dry, and then you can rub the masking fluid off to reveal the design underneath. If you try to remove the masking fluid before the paint is dry, you can rip your artwork, so do be careful. For more watercolour techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.